Google's new AI mode is shaking up the internet, and it's hitting recipe creators where it hurts most. Since March, Google's AI has been generating Franken-recipes, mashed up instructions pulled from real creators, often without credit or context. In one wild case, it even pulled advice from The Onion, telling users to cook with non-toxic glue. Bloggers have spent years building content, relying on ad traffic to survive. But now, AI summaries are replacing them, and viewers aren't even clicking through. Take Karen Tedesco's Italian meatballs. Her rich, detailed recipe was stripped down into 6 generic steps, blended with 9 unrelated sources. And it's not just her. Creators like Adam Gallagher say Google's showing their links, but no one's clicking. AI results are just good enough. There's no law protecting recipes, and AI isn't just scraping blogs. It's pulling from cookbooks and selling that content too. Some see hope in a cookbook revival. It's tactile, tested, and truly human. But creators know not everyone can jump platforms or hide behind a paywall. This isn't just disruption. Some call it an extinction event for ad-driven food blogging. Others, they're adapting, rolling with the tide. Stay tuned for more, and subscribe to never miss a tech beat.